This is Surendra. In this video, we're going to see about how to sell a product using OfficeCentral CRM. So, this video is fully about CRM and how to sell a product, add a product in price book, and sell a product to the customer. In this video, we having a short discussion about how to add a price book, and after adding a price book, how to add a leads like that. So now I am logging to my account by giving v2.officeCentral.asia. Once log into my account, I maintain different accounts. For example, you're doing the business, you can maintain a lot of branches. So I'm logging to my demo account. So home page is appear here. In this home page, we're going to see about this CRM. Okay. In this CRM, having the price book. So in that price book, and we are going to add some product in that price book by clicking the price book and adding the price book category. Price book category is a simple one. If you selling some electronics products, you will create the category like electronics. If you selling some food products, you will create the category like food product. So now I am going to sell a TV, so I am going to create electronics. It's already created here. So now I am going to so how to add the price book product. Okay, now going to price book, and new. Once you created the category and you create the price book item. So code, I just give the number, and product name is Smart TV, and product name is Smart TV, and description about the product is about what is the TV features, how many inches having, like that. So that are the features you given in the description box. Once you give all the details, you can choose the category. So here it appears the electronics, and after that quantity, having 100 quantities of Smart TV. One unit price is around 90,000. So unit is each. Actually each product 19,000 rupees, and GST, supply GST is 18%, and purchase GST is 18%, and Indian rupee. So I'm using Indian rupee, so 19,000 Indian rupees. So simple. So this is the process to add an item in the price book. So once you add the price book, now you're going to sell the product to the customer. So first add the lead. So lead is you getting the leads from various platform like advertisement and some other platforms. So once you get the lead, you add the lead. For example, now I am adding the lead Raja. It's a source from advertisement, and advertisement, and it's a new lead, and it's getting from various platforms, not only for advertisement, it's got from word of mouth, anything. And put some email ID, so test@gmail.com, and give the contact number of the person, and if the person and doing some business, having any company, So give the company name. In case if you're having any company, just give the company name. And after you giving the company name, you just check all the details are given or not. And if you having any details about that person lead, you can be able to give like identification number, position, everything. After that, save. So once you save, the lead was saved. After, so now you're going to call the lead, right? Call that person Raja, and by using phone by the salesperson, and add the call summary what you spoke with the person. It maybe and that person told he invited meeting for tomorrow. So just put the writing on the box of the call summary, invited for the meeting on tomorrow. Okay, so this is follow reminder for you, and save. And he accepted. Okay, you come for some doing business, right? Come for the meeting. So convert to the account. So account type is customer, and create a account. So once you created the account, you can see the meeting registered. Yes, that person called for the meeting, right, for tomorrow. So you are going to register the meeting. Go to the meeting, add you, and select the customer Raja in the contact. So once you select the contact in the Raja, and invite the person who going to meeting. Okay, so Raja is the person. Select the person, and who going to meeting is Surendra, and the name is the sales meeting, and description about the meeting is going to sell a smart TV, so selling a product. And company purpose, so meeting date is tomorrow. So tomorrow is the meeting date, 6th May, and location is Chennai, and save. So once meeting is registered, after that you going to give the quotation. Okay, you give demo about the product and everything. Now you going to give the quotation to the customer. So quotation, and choose the customer Raja, and issue date, expiry date, all that, and subject is quotation. So choose the product from custom product. You just enter the smart SM, just enter the 2 letter. It will be get the product from Facebook, and that price, everything will be appear with GST 18%. So this is the process of creating the quotation. So save and print. Now quotation is generated, so it appears the preview for printout. So you just click the print and take the printout, or send a soft copy to your customer. Otherwise you give the hard copy to the customer. So once quotation generated, next step is view the quotation and finalize the quotation. So once finalize the quotation, what is the next step? It is generate the order acceptance. Okay, you given the quotation to the customer. Customer said, yes, I accept the quotation, I accept this order, I am willing to purchase this product. So you generate the order acceptance. Okay, just click the order acceptance, and order acceptance, you just everything will be fetched, and you just choose the required date and shipping date. So required date is 7th May, shipping date is 7th May. Yes. And subject is order acceptance, OA, and check the details of the products and save. So now order acceptance is happened. Now go back to the order acceptance list and finalize the order acceptance. Now you're going to finalize the order acceptance, and after finalizing the order acceptance, I'm going to generate order delivery. So we're going to generate the order delivery. So click order, generate order delivery, and now change the subject to order delivery and save. So once save, the order delivery is created, generate order delivery is created, and go back to the list. Now finalize the generate order delivery. So finalize the generate order delivery. Next step is going to create the invoice. So creating invoice, once you finalize the order delivery, now I'm going to create the invoice, generate invoice. So invoice, reference number, everything will be fetched, and subject is invoice. So given as invoice for the product smart TV is the invoice for amount 1,06,000 something, and save and print. Now invoice is generated. So it's a simple process, just 2 clicks, right? You can create the invoice. So now invoice is generated. So you take the printout and give it to the customer. So it's very simple, right? So once you generated the invoice, and you print and give it to the customer. So next, finalize the invoice. So go back to the list and see the invoice. So here you see that payment is not yet done, right? That it shows unpaid, the amount is unpaid. So finalize the invoice, and you're going to receive the payment from the customer, and you going to issue the receipt. So to generate receipt, and subject is receipt, and going to collect the payment. Now customer pay the amount of 1,00,000 something, and is collected from various platforms, credit card and debit card. Now I collected from cash. Okay, so yes, once save. So go back to the list. So receipt also generated. Once you receive the payment from the customer, the receipt is generated. You can take the printout of the receipt by PDF or Word format is given in the action column. So payment is, amount is received. So this is all about one sale is finished, right? You can. So now finalize the receipt. So this is all about selling a product, how to selling a product using CRM. So this is the way of selling a product, and I hope it is the easy way to selling the product, right? Just adding a product in the Facebook, and you getting the leads from various department, various platform, and you convert the lead to account and generate the quotation and invoice, and finally receipt from collecting the payment. So this is the simple method. So in future video I will focus on different modules. This is all about CRM, how to selling a product. So I am completing this video from here, and in future videos I will show you our different modules in OfficeCentral. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for all watching this video, I will meet you in future videos.